Hi, I'm Healy Means. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a vlog in a car video. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Had to make sure it's just past 12 o'clock on this Thursday, December 5th, 2024. Y'all, where is like the whole 2024 going? Why we already like 5 days into December? Like, y'all, look, time is going by real fast. Let me get on the road. I'm just gonna do a quick video just to kind of catch up with everybody, just let y'all know what I've been doing, how I've been shaking and moving, and hopefully you can see me, or I can at least see the camera while I'm doing this recording. Y'all see my hair? I still have it. It's still surviving. I took my shower last night, y'all. I had my hair wrapped up like the mummy. So I had a cotton bandana. I had a do-rag on top of that. I had my little satin bonnet on top of that. And then I had the shower cap on top of that. Trying to keep this hair dry, y'all. Trying to keep this straight style for as long as possible. It's going to last how it lasts. Y'all, we going to see. But we are coming up on, if it's not 2 weeks, the math ain't going to be mathing in my head right now. But November 22nd. And today is December 5th. So that's 8 and 5, 13. Yeah, so tomorrow will be 2 weeks. Tomorrow will be 2 weeks. I am so proud of myself that I had my hair last this long. I only used the flat iron one time since I originally used it to get the straight style. So not applying heat like every day or anything like that. But really, on the days that I remembered and I felt like it, just tying down my hair with the bandanas, putting the bonnets and the scarves on and stuff like that. That really helped. So 1 second, I want to keep the straight hair for as long as possible, and before the next second, I'm ready to go back to my curly hair. I haven't decided what products I'm going to use for a wash day. If you have recommendations for specific products that you want me to use that I already have in my stash, let me know. I can record my wash days around the products that you recommend. But if I don't get a lot of feedback, I'll just grab something off the shelf and just go with it. I also don't want to forget my closet rebels, because I have a lot of hair products in my closet. I also have a lot of Sally Beauty, their GVP, the generic products. I have that, y'all. But I got all kind of stuff, all kind of products in the closet. I was kind of briefly looking through them, just all kind of brands. Products that's in there are not really like complete wash day sets. I might have a few. I'm gonna go through there and I might just do some videos on like single products. If I have a deep conditioner but don't have the shampoo or whatever, if I have a leave-in, you know, I might just do some single product wash day videos and just do that. So what else has been going on? My garden, I'm doing my seeds and soil or seeds experiment where I'm trying to figure out what happened to me in 2024 with my 5-gallon buckets that I got low and very sporadic germination. I'm not sure what happened. On one hand, I want to say it's the soil, because so many seeds didn't germinate, but I did get so many seeds that did germinate and the plants grew to harvest. And then I want to say it's the seeds, because I used a lot of 2022 seeds and some 2023 seeds. But I took those same seeds and I brought them to the community garden and we sold them in Jiffy starter mix, that soil medium. And I had near 100% germination. So I don't know if it's specific seeds that are preferring the specific soils. Y'all, I don't know what it is, but I have a lot of that of the soil from my 5-gallon buckets, a full trash can and a full wheelbarrow that's actually overflowing, and that's still not counting the soil from the 5-gallon buckets that I have on my yellow pallet. All I did was sift through the 5-gallon buckets that I had on my DIY bucket stand. So I still have a lot more of this soil, and I need to figure it out. Worst case scenario, y'all, worst case scenario, I'm gonna put that soil in my my compost bin, and then the organisms and the process of composting, you know, will go through that soil, and hopefully it'll come out better on the downside. I still have like a bushel, 2 bushels of parsley growing out the bottom of my compost bin. I keep saying, yes, I'm gonna cut it and I'm gonna trim it up and this and that, y'all, and I haven't done it. So in my garden, you know, with my hair, just in my life, y'all, in real life, not in YouTube life, in real life, I feel like I'm doing a lot of stuff, but I feel like I'm not doing anything. And this whole year have passed by. 2024, y'all, have passed by, and I feel like I have got a lot of stuff done and nothing done at the same time. Anybody else feel like that, y'all? Is it just me? It might just be me. It might just be me. But I feel like I have done and am doing a lot of stuff, but then it seems like I'm not doing anything at all. Maybe because I'm looking at stuff that still have to be done. That might be it. I don't know. I am trying some new stuff with my skin, and I don't have any makeup and stuff on because I have a treatment on my face right now. I have some the Ordinary products. I have the Alpha Arbutin 2% with hyaluronic acid and the moisturizing cream. I went to the doctor. She prescribed me not retinol, but it's a retinol type cream, and then another cream. I can't remember what it is, but it's supposed to help with acne scars and blemishes. I don't have it yet. It's coming in the mail. I'm gonna be trying that. So I'ma just ask y'all to, you know, have patience with me. It's probably gonna be more videos without makeup than with, even though y'all know this ain't no makeup channel. This ain't no makeup channel anyway. I know sometimes like the scarring and the hyperpigmentation can be distracting. It's distracting to me. So I understand how it can be distracting in a social media environment, especially when everybody supposed to look perfect and flawless and extra glamorous and all that kind of stuff. This is not that channel. That's not me. It's probably not really anybody before they put the makeup on, but I'm just saying these scars and these marks are distracting to me, and I want to create and maintain a skincare routine that'll just help me. That'll just help me with this. It's mostly like my chin down. So I did talk to my doctor to ask her if it was due to any hormonal changes or whatever. No, I'm not going through any kind of life changes or that like that. Like, that's not happening. It just, you know, it is what it is. And a lot of these marks and scars are old marks and scars. Or when I get an acne bump or any kind of blemish or whatever, it's just so prominent. The least little thing on the camera, it looks horrible. But when I look at it myself, like in a mirror, like in person, in real life, it doesn't look as bad as how it looks on camera. So, but anyway, y'all, I'm gonna be working with that. You know, I'll keep you posted every now and then. Hopefully you'll be able to see any improvements or updates. So that with my skin, got that going on. Far as my exercise and weight loss, y'all, I totally just dropped off from July to October, or June to October. I was doing so well. I was doing so well, y'all. Doing my 3 times a week. I was just improving, and then October came and I just completely fell off. I've been keeping up with my Wednesday walks. I think I may have missed maybe 2 or 3 of my trail walks, but I've been keeping up with that. And you saw in my last community post, I've actually started adding walking up a hill. There's a hill on the trail walk. I pass it all the time. Every time I walk, I pass it, and I'm saying, you know what, one day I'm gonna walk up that hill. I'm gonna start walking up that hill. Well, I started it last week, so yesterday was my second time walking up and down that hill. Yo, oh my goodness, it's a workout. It definitely intensifies the walk, but that's a good thing. And I think I'm gonna stick with just going up and down one time, but probably in January I'll do it 2 times, you know, during the trail walk. I need to get back into my YouTube videos, my walk at home videos. I really don't have any kind of excuse. I mean, all I have to do is turn on the TV. And I'm definitely watching YouTube because I'm watching y'all videos. I need to get back into it, y'all. I need to get back into it. I need to get back into it. When I stepped on that scale and I saw that number had went up, I couldn't even say nothing. But thankfully, I have a physician that is not like negatively critical. You know, she was like, hey, this is something that we need to work on. We have talked about medication, but I am holding off on that. It is available. I can get it anytime I want to, but I am holding off on that. And I'm not gonna lie to y'all, like, I go back and forth. I do. I go back and forth because sometimes I look at myself in the mirror and I just be like, man, if I could just have a little boost, just a little boost of something to get me started, and hopefully once I see results, like, that'll even boost up the motivation even more for me to do it on my own without the medication or whatever. But that's, I think I still have a little fight left in me, y'all. I think I still have a little willpower, a little self-will, self-motivation. I think I have just a little bit left, and so I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna try that, and we gonna see what we gonna see. I took the car to the car wash, got everything done, y'all. I'm rewrapping my car, but time's been tight, y'all. Time's been tight. This economy ain't been economying, not for me. But the plan is to get the car rewrapped in either January or February. There's another color that I really want, but it's hard to find. You got to know what you're doing because it's not an easy wrap to work with for vehicles. So it's going to be that, or I'm telling y'all, I'm probably just going to rewrap it this same. Just rewrap it this same color because I don't love inanimate objects or stuff like that, but I love this color. This to me, I like it. The only reason I'm really thinking about changing it is because, hold on, my little thing sliding, is because I've been seeing more cars with it. And not just more cars, but I'm starting to see Teslas with it. And I actually saw a Model S wrapped in the matte version of this color. So I haven't seen another Model S with my exact color. I've seen a Model X with my color. I've seen a Model 3 with the matte version of this color. But I haven't seen another Model S with my exact color. But still, it's getting too close. I've been having this wrap for 5 years, 5.5 years. Normally wraps don't usually last, but maybe 2 or 3 years. But I take very good care, you know, of my car. I do have a protective coating over some parts of the wrap, and it just so happened that that's where people tried to key it. So what they did was they damaged the protective coating, but not the wrap. When you damage wrap, you can't just like put a patch over it. You have to redo that whole panel. Right, and it's a significant amount of money. But I don't want any damage to my car, because sometimes when people open their door and they ding your car, like they actually put a dent in that spot. When you wrap your vehicle, you can't have any kind of dings or bulges or anything like that, because if you wrap over it, all you're going to do is highlight the damage. So I have to have my car looked over very carefully and make sure I don't have any dings or dents or bulges or nothing like that before I even rewrap the car. So it's a whole process. I'm thinking about rewrapping the car. If I can't find that other color, most likely I am going to rewrap it this same color. I have to get my windshield tinted again because I got my windshield replaced and I didn't get the window tinted. Y'all know I had my bumper replaced and I never rewrapped the bumper because it didn't make sense for me to rewrap the bumper when I was going to rewrap the whole car. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all I have for this video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Click that notifications bell. Make sure it is set to all. Like, comment, and share with everyone you know. And until next time, be safe, be well, and be blessed.